Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So children, your final examination is commencing from 1st March. Okay children? So children, in this video we will learn about upkeeping of public places and we will revise this chapter again. So children, let's start now. Now children, open the book at page number 76. Upkeeping of public places. There are many places in our community that are very important for us. We should keep these public places clean. We should also help community helpers in upkeeping the public places. Now children, come to the next page. Open the book at page number 77. Some of the ways of upkeeping the public places are: we must wait for our turn to pay the bill in a shop. We must stand in a queue at the bus stop. We must allow people to get down from the train or bus before we get in. We must not make noise in a hospital. We should not litter the public places. Children say there are many places in our community that are very important for us and we should keep these public places clean. We should keep public places in our neighborhood clean. We should be polite to people who work there and to those who visit. These places are for us all. So children, we should also help our community helpers in upkeeping the public places. So children, all of us live in a neighborhood or surrounding. We must keep our surrounding neat and clean. This will help us to live a healthy life. Keeping our surroundings clean will only help in the betterment of society. Waste or garbage should not be thrown anywhere, but only in trash bins. Throwing garbage all over the place will dirty our surroundings, pollute the environment. Littering causes land, air and water pollution. Dirtying our surrounding will cause harm to us. So keep the surroundings clean, live happy and healthy lives. So children, some of the ways of upkeeping the public places are: number 1, we must wait for our turn to pay the bill in a shop. Next is, we must stand in a queue at the bus stop. Children, next is, we must allow people to get down from the train or bus before we get in. Children, next is, we must not make noise in a hospital. Children, next is, we should not litter the public places. So children, we will revise this lesson again. Number 1 is places in my neighborhood. Children, we have already learned that the people and places around our house make up our neighborhood. People who live in the nearby houses are our neighbors. So children, you all know that all of us live in a house, and if you look around a house you will see many other houses and many families live in them. So the houses built close to each other make up a neighborhood and the families living near our house are our neighbors. So children, there are many other important places in a neighborhood. Number 1 is market. We have already learned that children, there are many shops in the market. We buy food, milk, books and clothes from these shops. Children, next important place in our neighborhood is school. We go to school to study. We also learn good habits and manners in the school. Children, next important place in our neighborhood is bank. Our parents deposit money, jewelry and important papers in the bank. The bank keeps all these things safe for us. Next important place in our neighborhood is hospital. We go to a hospital when we are sick. There are doctors and nurses in hospitals. Children, next important place in our neighborhood is police station. There are policemen in the police station. They help to maintain law and order. Next important place in our neighborhood is bus stops. The bus comes and stops at the bus stop. People wait at the bus stop to catch the bus. Children, next important place in our neighborhood is railway station. People take trains for going from one place to another from the railway stations. Children, next important place in our neighborhood is post office. We send letters, greeting cards to our friends and relatives from the post office. We also buy stamps and envelopes from post office. Children, next important place in our neighborhood is fire station. When there is a fire, we call the fire station. There are firemen in the fire station who come for our rescue. Children, now open the book at page number 78. Children, first you will mention the date, write 31st assignment, mention your name, class, section. Now come to the question, state true or false. If statement is right, you have to write true. If statement is wrong, you have to write false. So number 1, trains take us to different cities. Children, train take us to different cities? Yes, train take us to different cities. Here we will write true. T-R-U-E, true. Done, children. Now come to the next, number 2. We can send letters from the post office. Children, we can send letters from the post office? Yes, we can send letters from the post office. Sentence is right. So here we will write true. T-R-U-E, true. Done, children. Now come to the next, number 3. We go to park to study. Children, we go to park to study? No. Sentence is wrong. Here we will write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Done, children. Now come to the next, number 4. We must respect people who work for us. Children, we must respect people who work for us. Yes, we must respect our community helpers or people who work for us. Statement is right. Here we will write true. T-R-U-E, true. Done, children. Now children, come to the next question. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill up these blanks. Number 1, a dash looks after the garden. Who looks after the garden, children? Very good. Gardener looks after the garden. Here we will write the spelling of gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. Gardener. So gardener looks after the garden. Number 2, we can send letters to our friends and relatives from the dash. Children, we can send letters to our friends and relatives from the post office. Here we will write post office. P-O-S-T, post. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. So we can send letters to our friends and relatives from the post office. Done, children. Now come to the next question. Number 3. A bus comes and stops at the dash. Children, a bus comes and stops at the bus stop. Here we will write bus stop. B-U-S, bus. S-T-O-P, stop. Bus stop. Done, children. Now come to the next, number 4. We go to dash to study. We go to school. Here we will write school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. So children, we go to school to study. Done, children. Now children, take out your EVS Sphere notebook. First you will mention your name, class, section, write 31st assignment. In next line you will mention the date, write lesson 9 H.W. Come to the next line, you will write lesson name, my neighborhood. Now children, come to the next line, you will write QUE.7, question number 7. Children, we have already done question number 4, 5, 6 in previous video. So in this video, we will do question number 7. Write question number 7. Where do we deposit our money? Children, where do we deposit our money? Bank. Yes, we deposit our money in bank. In next line, you will write A and S dot answer. We deposit our money in a bank. Done, children? Now come to the next line. You will write QUE dot question, fill in the blanks, which is given in page number 78. You have to do the fill in the blanks given in page number 78. Okay, children? So children, in this video we have learned about upkeeping of public places and revise the places in my neighborhood. We'll see you in next video, children. Till then, take care. Thank you.